Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be my dream backyard makeover part 3. I recently bought my dream house and I'm turning it into my dream home. And last we left off in the backyard. In the first video, we built a beautiful deck in the backyard. The second part was building the gazebo. Now, in today's video, we are going to be decorating the gazebo. In part 4, we will finally be finishing up the backyard, which means that I'm going to finally decorate the rest of the backyard. All right, family, let's get into part 3. All right, family, as I told you all, I'm working with a wonderful company to bring you some very nice outdoor furniture. And so the company that I was lucky to be working with for today's video is Homery. Homery has the most beautiful, updated, modern outdoor furniture. But not only that, they have a whole array of everything from light fixtures to indoor furnitures, outdoor furniture, bathrooms, kitchens. But as I said in today's video, I'm going to be working with them and bringing you this beautiful set that I fell completely in love with as soon as I saw it, okay? So let's go ahead and unbox our furniture. This is a beautiful 4-piece set, beautiful modern outdoor furniture for your living space. I'm going to leave all of the details in the description, so please don't forget to check it out. I'll also have a special discount code for my viewers only, so definitely don't forget to check it out. Things that I really like about this set is the fact that not only is it really modern, it also looks like a custom set or like custom pieces. You're not going to find this in anyone's backyard unless, of course, you order it from here. They're very outdoor friendly. Let's say you left the set outside without any covering. It's gonna get wet, but the water comes right off. Not only that, it doesn't stain the furniture. It just dries and everything goes away like it was never wet. That's one thing I really like. Another thing I really like is the fact that it's not heavy. You'll see here that I'm moving every single piece around by myself and I'm not having any troubles with this at all. And I will have to say that my most favorite part is the look of it. It is just so modern and so nice that, like, I don't know how else to describe it. In the first video, we built a beautiful deck in the backyard. We took the backyard from non-existence to a beautiful living space. The second part was building the gazebo because we need something to sit out here, especially when it's raining or when it's sunny out. So in the second part, we built this beautiful gazebo. Now in today's video, we are going to be decorating the gazebo. All right, family, so now that we have our pieces put together, let's go ahead and decorate it in the gazebo. All right, so first thing first, I went to Walmart and picked out this beautiful outdoor rug. I wanted to do this black and white because I felt like it had a nice pop of color, even though it's not really color, it's black and white, but I felt like it had this beautiful pop to it and it stands out. So, as you can see here, I tried out the black and white rug and didn't really like it. So I'm going to be switching back to my gray rug. I actually got this gray rug from Walmart as well. This is also outdoor and indoor friendly. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and set up everything using the gray rug. As I said before, the pieces are very light, but they can hold up a lot of weight, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so now that I have my 4 pieces in here, plus my rug, I'm gonna go ahead and accessorize a little bit. I have this unsightly, I guess, electrical panel or outdoor things that are very important for the function of the house, but it's very unsightly and I didn't want that to show at all. So I'm using this planter that I got from Ross. It has the stand and it also has the basket that comes with it. The actual plant, which is a fake plant, I got from Home Goods. Alright, so the next thing here is this nice lantern. I've actually had this lantern for a while. It used to be on my dining table, but I thought it would be perfect out here on this tiny little table. The next 2 things here are these bigger lanterns. I actually got these from Burlington. They were about $30 a piece and they are very nice, plus they are battery operated. I'm also gonna have a lot more lights out here. I'm gonna have some more lanterns. I'm gonna have the string lights that you put on the gazebo, and I don't know what they're really called. If you know what I'm talking about, please comment down below. But yes, I'm gonna buy a lot more of those and I'm gonna add them out here as well. But I'm gonna have my mosquito sprays, bug sprays, all kinds of sprays because I don't wanna get bitten. This family is so fun. I am super happy to finally have a backyard that I can come to and sit here, relax with my family and watch my daughter play around. And also, again, once you see the rest of the series, you're gonna see how beautifully this backyard turned out. It's so nice out here. This has become my favorite part of the house. We took a break from the inside of the house. We're gonna be going back to that very soon, but as you know, summer is coming to an end. We're headed towards fall. So I just wanted to go ahead and finish up the backyard. I'm not gonna do every single thing that I wanna do out here with my backyard this year because I started kind of late. But by next year, this backyard is gonna be a whole spot, like a whole resort by itself, y'all. I said that in the first video and I mean it. Next year is gonna be, oh my God, it's gonna be crazy out here. All right, family, this is what the backyard looks like as of now. I am so impressed. I am so satisfied with the outcome. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make more memories out here and I cannot wait to share more of my backyard oasis with you all. I feel truly blessed to be in this position and I also feel blessed to be able to share this experience with you all. I hope that you all can take something from these videos, whether it's inspiration, motivation, whatever it is. I truly pray and hope that whenever you see my videos, whatever kind of video it is, I pray that you do get some kind of motivation or inspiration from my videos. All right, family, don't forget to check out part 4 of my backyard series, which is coming up sometime this week or early next week. I'm not sure yet, but please do not forget to check out Homery for all of your home design needs. They have the most amazing, most beautiful modern furnitures and designs for your home. So please don't forget to check them out. And also do not forget to use your discount code to purchase whatever it is you decide to purchase. If you would like to join the family, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another video. Don't forget to click the videos that are going to pop up at the end of this video because they are helpful and fun to watch as well. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.